Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Miranda and I am Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, here with a plan with me in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner. Before we get started, 3 things. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you thumb it up. Comment below, how many more weeks are you going to do fall spreads, or will you go through the end of November and then begin winter spreads in December? That's kind of my plan. And then last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You simply hit the subscribe button below along with the notification bell, and boom, boom, bam. Just like that, you are a part of #Team Bella. All right, so jumping right in, we are planning for the week of October 7 through the 13th. And as a reminder, this was our camping inspired spread for last week, and we used rose gold. This week, the kit comes from Sara Elizabeth Prints, and just look at this. This is called Cozy Fall, and is a mini kit, so it'll be more than enough stickers for me. So there's 8 full box stickers, and then we have our mini checklist here: bill dues, weekly habit trackers, hydration, a habit tracker. There's some half boxes and scallop boxes. We have our date covers, which I've gone ahead and put our dates on there, and our bottom washi. And then here's the glitter headers, some icons, and a weekend banner and flags. All right, so let's start with the bottom washi. We'll go ahead and pull this off. So yes, now I'm gonna tell you something about these stickers. The colors are so vibrant. I don't think I want to use any washi on the bottom. At least as of right at this moment, I don't. We will be highlighting everything with gold foil this week. So I am happy about that. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my white out because I know for certain that these dates are gonna show through. I think I'm going to grab one of my flags, and I'm going to go ahead and place it here, and then we'll just use the date cover to kind of cover that up. All right, so we're going backwards, starting with Sunday. I think this is going to look really cute with all the gold foil that I have planned. Now, most of my foiled items come from Planning City. And I don't know if you guys are aware or not, but I do PR for her. So I may be a little biased, but if you would like to try her out, just stay tuned. I have a PR code. It's Miranda20, and oops, I don't know how I grab Monday. No, Wednesday. Okay, it's Miranda20, which will get you 20% off of your order, and it will also get you my freebie. And I'll show you my freebie in just a moment. It's quite cute, if I do say so myself. And of course, I am saying so myself. All right, so we got that down. Let's see. Oh yeah, these are definitely fall florals. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put down my glitter headers. I will speed this part up because it's like drying paint, and I don't want you guys to be bored through that. Don't ask me why this is missing. I'm certain I probably pulled it off. Yep, so I'll see you right after I put down the headers. That is looking good. So now we are going to determine where we're going to put our full box stickers. And I think this one that says fall, I really like it. And I want to put this over here. But before we put this down, let's put our other flag down. We have one other flag. I thought, oh, it's right here. All right, let's put our flag here. Okay. Okay. Let's build our sidebar out. So I do think I want to use some washi, believe it or not. I have some beautiful pumpkin washi, and we're gonna just use this pumpkin washi. I think it'll be fine. It kind of matches that, so we're going to be putting this down. All right, and we do need our X-Acto knife. Okay, so we are going to grab this and we're gonna cut it off here. All right, I like it. I think it breaks up how dark this portion is. I certainly want to put down a weekly habit tracker, and we usually use this for meals. There was something I saw that I typically don't use, but I wanted to use it actually here. And it says this week. And I like it. Okay, very good. And then, well, actually they have one that says dinners, which is what I want to use this for. Well, so this says dinners, and that's exactly what we want to use this for, to track the meals that I've planned out already for the week. All right, I'm liking that. Okay, and then I do want to do another habit tracker. So this is for Happy Mail. So we're going to stick this below here. I'm gonna do the same thing. Cut it there. All right. Okay. Yes. Alrighty. I think that I also would like to put in maybe a full box sticker. Okay. But maybe we should have put I want to put this down here at the bottom. Okay. And so for right here, we're definitely going to put another piece of washi here. Okay. That is cute. All right, and then I think the last one we should put there could be, I don't want to make it a bill due. All right. Nope, this will not go here. So we will get probably a quarter box. We will put another piece of this here. Yes, love it, how it already looks. Okay. We're gonna put a little quarter box there. And it will be the orange. Nope, it will be this brown one. All right. Okay. So that is our sidebar that's built out. I like how that looks. All right, so let's determine where other places we're going to put our full box stickers. So all right, I like this one. So I decided to come through and speed this portion up and talk you through my thought process. So I'm just deciding where I'm going to place the full box stickers, and because of how I placed the headers down, of course here I'm having to go back through and adjust what I just laid down. So decisions. Okay, I want to put that there, but then I have to raise the header to make it work. But it's all right, it's cute. And then I know that I want to put this one down on the bottom. I think it frames the page. And I love it. It says home sweet home. So doesn't it make you want to just go home at the end of the week? All right. And then we're putting this down in the middle, picking up that header there, and then putting one on the bottom. So I feel like we're pretty uniform in how I decided where to place our full box stickers. And then we're correcting that last one there by pulling it up and then laying the date cover. Okay, I'm liking this. It's looking good. Then I grab those full box overlays and I lay them down. And there are 4 of them. So I put one there on the sidebar. I put one there right in the middle. Had a little challenges with that. Had to pick up the header again, doing the Bella bounce. Yes. And then I decided to do the same thing on the very one on the bottom. And then I go back later to put the 4th one down, but that's 3 of them. And then of course I have to bounce. Okay. Now I'm going through and I'm just laying down on top of the full box stickers, the bow overlays there. And I think that's going to do it. These are subtle hints of foil this week versus my in-your-face foil. Look at that Bella bounce. Looks kind of funny in the sped up version. And then I go back and lay that final full box sticker right over that. There's my freebie in green. I love it. So Miranda 20 if you're going to shop on Planning City. And of course, I do have the shop web address right below this video. All right, so I go in and I put down my gold foiled work stickers with the laptops in gold. And then I come back and follow it up with the work script because it's cute. And if I don't have to write it in there, I'm kind of liking that whole concept. Okay. And then I'm throwing washi tape down just to bring other pops of that pumpkin throughout the spread. I put that laundry sticker down there. Has a little brown washing machine. I love it. And then I put wine down because Monday was one of those wine down kind of days. Okay. And here we are grabbing the order groceries sticker and putting down even more of the pumpkin washi. So I think that looks cute there. Okay. Then trash night, and I took that from the kit. And I'm just going through and putting in where I know that I have to do certain things. Coffee Monday. I have a payday on Friday. I put in cleaning day there. And then another grocery for picking up the groceries. Or if I'm going to have it delivered, haven't made a determination yet. And that little gold heart there comes from San Diego Designs. And then I start placing the little mini checklist throughout the spread where I feel like I needed it. Okay, and that's a planning sesh right there. So I had to put the little planner down, put that half box sticker there on Saturday and also on Friday. And then I put another mini heart checklist. This is looking good. Happy Meal right there in my sidebar. So that's kind of my process of placing things down during the week where I know I have action items. I think that we have cared for everything that we wanted to care for. Oh, I like this little dinner pot. Now this is from Nicolette Amour. I'm gonna sit it right here because I thought that matched perfectly. Okay, I am loving it. Let me do the bounce. And what do you think about the subtle foiled hints that I have on here? I love it. All right, if you enjoyed the video, make sure that you do the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. Ciao, bella.